Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to sort a list on the basis of sum of digits of every element. Okay, so first I will take a variable list1 and take it as a input list map int comma input and enter list here. Okay, and I will separate all the elements by a space. So split parenthesis. Okay, so now I will take a for loop for I in list 1. I am taking this for loop for I in list 1 because I am going to find the sum of digits of every element of list 1. Okay, so here I will take a variable sum, sorry, for I in range what length of list 1. Let's take a variable n and initialize it equal to list of 1 and take it n here, and here to sort element we take for j in range from n, I think n minus 1. Okay, so here I will take a variable sum I equal to 0 and sum j equal to 0, and I will take a variable t which will be equal to what list 1 of I, and this t1 will be equal to list 1 of j. And now we are going to find the sum of digits of this t and of t1. Okay, so we will take a while loop while t is not equal to what 0, and we will take a variable ram equal to t modulus 10, and here we will write sum I equal to sum I plus what ram, and here we will update this t by t divided by 10. Okay, and here we will take another while loop to find the sum of digits of t1 not equal to what 0, and here we take a variable ram1 equal to t1 modulus 10, and here we will take sum j equal to sum j plus ram1, and we will update this t1 by t divided by 10. Okay, and now we will compare this sum I and sum j. Okay, if now we will write here if sum I is greater than sum j, then we will swap the elements of list 1. How to swap? We will take another variable temp which will be equal to list 1 of I, and I will equal this ith index to the jth index list 1 j, and the element at jth index will be equal to what temp. So let's print the list outside the loop, print list 1. So let's run the code. 34 21 90 98 77, enter. So the sum of 8 plus 9 is what 17, and 7 and 7 14. So 17 14 9 7 and 3, it is in decreasing order. If you want in increasing order, then you will do what, you will just reverse this sign. We will write here greater than. Okay, so let's run the code again. Take 90 0 9 23 65 3 2, enter. So sorry, let's reverse this symbol, this. Okay, let's copy it, paste, enter. Now you can see 0 2 3 and 3 plus 2 5 9 9 and 6 and 5 what 11. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.